Hey guys, and welcome back to TechForce. So today we're going to be taking a look at an awesome pair of earbuds sent to me by ENACFIRE. These earbuds can wirelessly charge and are also IPX8 waterproof rated, which means that they can be taken into the shower or even for a swim. Okay, so let's begin by taking a look at what we get inside the box. So of course we get the earbuds themselves, the wireless charging case, the USB-C charging cable, some spare ear tips, and finally the manuals. Now my initial thoughts of the product are that the case is very lightweight and doesn't necessarily seem very premium, but it does have some great features like wireless charging and a nice magnet holding it closed. And in terms of its size, it's very similar to the Pamu earbuds I reviewed a few weeks ago, as well as the Jaybird Runs, which are slightly larger. Now when taking a look at the comfort and fit of the earbuds, they aren't too bad. Generally, I dislike this sort of earbud style and tend to prefer earbuds like the AirPods, as they can easily sit in your ears whilst not falling out. However, when testing out these earbuds, they seemed quite comfortable and didn't fall out easily, which I was shocked by. And the only issue is that they feel like they're going quite deep in the ears, which I didn't initially like, but I suppose I did get used to it and it didn't bother me after a while. So they may be comfortable, but do they sound good? Well, the simple answer is yes. These earbuds have Qualcomm aptX technology built inside, which provides a pretty good sound experience. Now, although they aren't as good as the AirPods, they still sound pretty clear, and well, they do only cost $50, which means sacrificing a little bit of sound quality to save almost $100. Well, that's a bargain really. Now let's take a look at some of the awesome features built in. So these earbuds use USB-C to charge them, which allows slightly faster charging times over general earbuds. And if you hate cables, you can always wirelessly charge them, which is an awesome addition that more and more earbuds are including these days. But something you don't often see in earbuds is waterproofing, and these earbuds are IPX8 waterproof rated, which means they can be submerged for more than a meter for an extended period of time, which is incredible and means that they can be taken for a swim or even used in the shower. Now, for a pair of $50 earbuds, this is certainly a fantastic feature, which not even most $100 earbuds have. Now when it comes to pairing these earbuds, it's very straightforward. You can simply take them out of the case and they will turn on and be ready to pair, which is essentially the same as any other pair of earbuds. And in terms of the battery life, this case supplies 40 hours of battery, whilst the earbuds themselves can hold 8 hours on a full single charge. Okay, so overall, for only $50, these earbuds are probably one of the best budget pairs you could probably get, alongside the Pamu Slide Minis, which I recently reviewed and you guys can go and check out by clicking on the card above. Now, if you're interested in these earbuds, go down below and click on the link in the description. And whilst you're there, don't forget to subscribe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.